class, I'm going to show you how to make a soldering smoke absorber or a soldering fume extractor. For this you need a cardboard box. I have already make a square shape hole for it and a circle shape hole for a pipe where the soldering gas will come out, and I have already made here the holes for a switch and the power jack connector. And for this you also need a on-off switch. I connected to short wires, a power jack connector, a 12 power supply, a CPU fan, and I am showing you the connection diagram. It is a CPU fan. This is a CPU fan, like this CPU fan. Here is a power supply, AC voltage I given, and a 12 volt coming. Here is a switch. Now you have to connect plus wire of the CPU fan to the power supply and the minus wire of the power supply to switch, and the minus wire of this thing to the switch. This is the connection that I am showing you again. This you see the connection diagram. Now I keep it here. Now first you need to put the fan. Here I have take this wire down like this. Now do not like this because it will give you air. It will not suck the air. But if you put anti-clockwise, it will suck the air. Now first you need to take it out. Here it is a circuit given. You have to take it out from it. I have to take it out. Okay, it is okay. I have putting it here. Now what you need to do, you need to hot glue it. You see I have put it like this. It will give it a good effort. It's good style because I colored it with black. It will, the CPU fan also is black. It will give it a good style. And you can make your own color. You can paint your own color. Now I'm letting it dry. Here I have done. Let it dry. Now then what you need to do, you need to at the last you need to attach your pipe. Now I told I have already make a hole here. So you can see the fan inside is drying. Now like this I will take it and I will plug it. Now you can see. Now you can see here it is. So what you need to do, you need to glue this point. I am gluing this point. It is a pipe where the smoke will come out. Now glue it at the surface. Now it is looking a simple way. So you can check. You can check the drawing. It is also getting dried. Now what you need to do, second step. This is a cardboard box I told. So here is the opener. It can be opened through this like this. The inside surface I have not painted because nobody will see the inside surface. If you want to, if any sock is the inside, you can check it like this. You can check, and you need to then insert a switch, on a switch. I'm inserting a switch here. Not a switch. I'm inserting a switch. I've inserted the switch like this. No glue required. Now second which power connector, this place is plus, this is blue one minus. Now I already striped it. Now I am putting it inside. Sorry, it's on the back from here. Now here I am. The back you need to inside like this. You can see this is a pointer. It is given for a support. So here I make a hole. I have taken out it. Then I slowly I've inserted it and catch it on the back. Glue it. It will not come out properly. Seal it very properly. It will be dry. And I have shown you the connection diagram. That connection diagram we will use in it. A power jack. Here it is power supply. Is it a power jack? And it's the connection diagram of it. So I will connect it now. Now here you can see so many wires inside. Now I'm telling you again, this one is of the switch, put this side. This one is of the power connector, put it this side. This one is the CPU fan. Okay, it is the CPU fan. Now what you need to do, connect one wire of the CPU fan to the, I'm connecting minus wire to the CPU fan. Do it like this. And what I am doing, I'm taking my soldering iron. Now what is the foam extractor? This smoke is coming out that you will extract and take out from the outside. You filter it. This is very good. You will not. Now what you need to do, second step, the minus part here, it is a minus to connect with the power supply wire where you get the input. I told you. Now second you need to do it. I'm taking again my soldering iron and I am soldering it properly. It will not come out. Now solder it. Now what you need to do, the power jack one more. This one power, it is one of power, and here is also, here it is, connect together. One power one, here you can see the minus, and here is to the minus of the switch. Now we have connected. I am not showing very carefully because I have always shown you a diagram. And what you need to do, you need to solder it. The smoke is dangerous. Do not take a breath of the smoke. If you, I am using my red tape. Sorry, black tape. It is black. In the market, if you want to buy, you tell it black tape. If the color of the tape is any, but it is the name has a black tape. I am putting it carefully. Now again I am telling. Now again I am putting here. Put the black tape because it will not touch and it will not make a short circuit because it is 12 volt. 12 volt is dangerous and it is very useful. This tool is very useful. Now I am making a connection on the either side of the wire. Here it is. In every wire you should put. In every video, some videos I have not put. Sorry for that. You should put in every, because of AC, so you should put permanent AC. If you AC voltage, you're connecting wires to the AC voltage, you need to always put a black tape, always. Now here it is, 1 2 3, one wire is in the inside. I have connecting it. Here is one wire of the switch, so I am connecting it inside. I have connected it. Here it is, 1 to have again explaining. Here you can see I have done it. Now keep it inside these things. Now we are going to complete the project. As I told you, I have connected this thing. I told you. Now this is, you can check the switch, black one, and this plus of the wire directly to the fan. Now I am using it. Close it. What do you need to do? You need a power supply. Here it is. Now I am going to plug it. Let's get on. Now off the switch. Plug it. Now you can see. I show you. Here is the smoke will come out. Now what I am doing? I gotta put it. I'm closing this light and I'm showing you. You need to take your soldering iron, and you can see the smoke is coming out. Here you can see the smoke, a lot of smoke. Just on it to see. Here you can see it is. Now if I want to test one more test, now see, here it is. The smoke is coming out. Now just try on it. You can see it is taking the smoke. Here you can see the smoke. This is the smoke. And when I just on it, it is taking all the smoke into it. Now one more example. See, when I off it, it is not taking any smoke. Smoke is spreading. When I on it, just taking the smoke. Here you can see. Now again you see. Now when I off it, see the smoke is coming in the air. You can see a lot of smoke is there. But when I just on it, you see it's getting. Thank you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. This is a very useful tool and you can use in laboratories in any project. Now I'm turning off it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. Please support me in growing my channel. Thank you.